guys, today I'm going to go over my 6 favorite summer styles. I started by pre-curling my hair with a 1.5 inch iron. I will also prep my hair with my favorite R+Co dry shampoo powder at the roots. I'm doing this on second day hair, so my hair was a little bit oily. I'm going to start by taking a big piece, just twisting it back. You can use your fingers to spread apart the twist and make it a little bit bigger. You're going to secure both twists with a bobby pin, or you can even use a cute clip or whatever you want to just secure it in the back. For extra volume at the top, again, you're going to spray some more of that dry shampoo in, and just ever so slightly just pick up the hair up the root, and that's going to give it a little bit of texture at the top. My second style is the Bohemian halfback braid. This is super cute for a date night or even the beach. I do like to keep my face framing pieces out for this, but you definitely don't have to. And I begin just braiding a simple 3-stranded braid and only add in hair from that top section. I'm not adding anything from the bottom section. And then just secure that one with an elastic at the bottom. To give it a bigger braid feel, you're gonna actually pancake the braid, and by pancaking, I mean you're literally taking your fingers and just spreading the braid apart. That's gonna help the braid to almost look flat against your head, but just bigger. Repeat on the other side. If your braids aren't holding when you pancake them, just add in a little bit of dry shampoo. That's just gonna give it a little bit of grit and kind of separate things a little bit easier. Finally, you're going to take the hair in the back and make a little bun. And that's it. Super simple and really pretty. My next look today is called the top knot halfback. This one is super simple as well. Just going to rake your hair back and decide where you want the bun to lay. Once you figure that out, just secure the ponytail with an elastic and add some dry shampoo to the roots if you want to make it more of a messy look. I'm now introducing another product. It's my favorite texturizing spray. It's called Texturiza by Unite, and it gives the hair that grit without making it hard, almost like a hairspray would. Now to make the bun, you're going to twist the ponytail and use your pointer finger and your thumb to just grab a small strand of hair at the bottom. You're going to gently push up on the hair without letting go of that strand, and you're going to wrap it into a bun. This is also a really cute style for medium to short hair. And that's it, you're done. My next look is called the pancake side braid. This is a pretty similar style to the other style, except you're not going to make it into a bun. After you braid to where you want it to stop, you'll stop adding hair in altogether and just braid it all the way down with a normal braid. Now to pancake it, you can add some dry shampoo and just start from the bottom and gently separate the braids. It takes a little bit of time, so just be patient. By the time you get to the top, you're probably gonna have to fix the bottom a little bit, so don't be discouraged. It's just a slow process. This one's super pretty for a pool party or going out and you just want something subtle. Now my next one is a textured ponytail, and I'm just kind of going off the previous tutorial because I love adding a braid to my ponytails. So just begin by making your ponytail and just choosing where you want the ponytail to sit. Use my bobble hair tie. If you guys don't know what these are, they're just super great and they're a little bit thicker. So if you have super thick hair, it'll kind of hold the hair in place without moving at all throughout the day. And then just take the tail of the braid that you had and wrap it around the bobble to hide it. This is going to give it a little bit more of that bohemian style. It's super easy. I'm breaking out of the night, breaking My last and my final summer style is called the half-back topsy tail. This one's super quick too, so if you're in a rush, this is perfect for you. But you're just gonna take your hair half back, you're gonna secure it with an elastic, but make sure when you're securing it with the elastic, you're not going too tight because you are gonna have to flip it. So just wanna make sure you have room to do that. You're just gonna separate the hair and flip that ponytail into the center section that you separated, and then you can make it tighter. So then just pull up on that ponytail. For an extra step, you can hide the elastic by taking a small piece of hair and wrapping it around. Then secure with a bobby pin. I like to tighten the ponytail again, just push everything up and makes it all tight and together. And then you are all finished.